let's try the Too Faced bronzer sticks. These are the Chocolate Soleil Melting, Bronzing, and Sculpting sticks. I have 4 different shades. Let's try these on together and pick out my shade. This is what the bronzing stick looks like. And this one is in the color Chocolate Suffle. Let's try this right here. I'm in the medium skin tone range. I think that one's a little too dark for my complexion. Okay, this one here has more of a warm undertone. This one is more of a cool undertone. This one is called Chocolate Caramel. Caramel? Okay, this third shade right here is called Chocolate Lava. That one is definitely not for my skin tone. This fourth shade is Chocolate Mousse, I believe. Yeah, Chocolate Mousse. And I think I'm just gonna stick with this color. I think that one would look best out of all 4. What do you guys think? Okay, let's go ahead and apply it. The color I went with is Chocolate Suffle. And this is just supposed to add more color to your face because I am lacking some dimension, some warmth. I don't know about warmth when it has like cool undertone, but we'll see how this works out. I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario foundation brush, but I'm going to use like the smaller side. I usually apply my concealer with this, but let's go in there and blend this out. I was scared that this was going to be too dark for me, but I think I could have gone a shade up. I should have used that second shade that I swatched, the one with a warm undertone, because I do kind of prefer a warm undertone over a cool undertone for a bronzer. I don't know. I think I'm liking it, liking this color. The formula is great. It's blending out like a dream. Let me bring it closer. Like, it's blending out really nice, but I feel like I could have gone a shade darker with the bronzer. Do we just mix? Or is that looking okay? No, I prefer a warm undertone. Okay, we're gonna go in with Chocolate Caramel. Let me just add it right here. Just like right here. I'm not taking it all the way back. Let's just see how that does. Okay. You see how like a smile is developing? It's because I'm a happy girl with this color. Look at that. Yes, this is my color for bronzer. It did what it was supposed to do. I just gotta add a little bit, just a little bit more right there, you know? Give myself a little cheek lift. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love this color. I can't pronounce it because I always struggle with the word caramel. Y'all help me in the comments. SOS. Honestly, I love it. You guys see what bronzer just does? I look so chiseled. What do you guys think about the color while I mixed? Anyway, I love it.